Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into iMovie. iMovie is a pre-installed application on most Apple devices. It does not need any account verification to use, so you don't need to log into iMovie account. Simply go ahead and install the iMovie application if it is not installed already on your iOS device, and go ahead and launch it open. Soon after you open up the app, you will be able to see the Start New Project menu. Choose the project type from the menu and then import your media from your device's camera roll. You can import photos as well as video clips. After you choose your video clips or your image, click on Create Movie at the bottom. You can now start editing using iMovie application. So that is how you log in to iMovie with your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.